Agrilevante, 7th edition 2023, Bari. There is with me a player who's very, very crucial for this exhibition, also in terms of training and dissemination and extension. One of the main objectives is to convey messages not only to experts in the sectors but also to young people. And Mr. Iuliano is also responsible for the desk area of FederUnacoma. Thank you. What's the desk area? Desk area is an area that we are trying to boost. This is not the first edition. Also in the previous exhibitions, we've always promoted the desk area for training and for safety, which are two very important topics for manufacturing machines. Because we know that when we speak of boring stuff like safety and the rest, it is very difficult to attract attention. It is difficult to attract attention in a simple manner. Also because we are seeing it right now, because there are a lot of young students everywhere, students from high school, and on a daily basis during the days of this exhibition, also thanks to the desk area, you tell topics about training and about safety. In 4 days, we're going to train about 400 students from 8 high schools from Puglia and Basilicata. And why? Well, that's because this concept for us, concepts about a safe use of machines, is very, very important. This is why we organize laboratories for the students, and during these laboratories, we tell all the details. And technology gives you a hand, because to test a machine, to gain experience with machines, it is necessary to tell stories. It is not possible for young students to drive your machines, but there are simulators, and the simulators which are also used for aircrafts. There are also simulators that train people how to drive agriculture machines. To be real and more immersive, we have 2 simulators. One simulator about safe drive, which makes people understand what happens during the rollover of a tractor, which helps people to drive safely. And then we have another simulator, which is a drive simulator. As you were saying, it is comparable to the simulator of an aircraft. That it is possible to try for free in the desk area, which also teaches to learn technologies of precision agriculture and agriculture 4.0 about this. The machine. Well, then there is another innovation. In the case of using means of communication to young people and to all the stakeholders, it is necessary to utilize specific languages. I saw some videos online. You are an excellent communicator. You are a creative engineer, because you proposed a comic strip. You designed the storytelling. You designed the storytelling through a comic strip. And what happened? Well, I resorted to a cartoonist, Rita Montorsi. She's an excellent illustrator. She's in charge of the graphic design. And as you were saying, it is necessary to identify new communication pathways. We have to explore all the possibilities in order to extend our audience, involving young people. And the comic for us, the comic strip for us, was definitely functional, because images combined with these concepts that can be boring, could attract the attention also of the final user. or of all those who are not always attracted by these topics. Well, the experiment has really been successful. We'll see what is going to happen. Well, I read volume one, so which means that the creative project envisages a series. FEDERUNACOMA has become FEDERUNAcomics Agricultural Machinery Drive Safely. I'm sure volume 2 will be issued. And congratulations. I'd like to really congratulate Rita, the creative artist. She turned you into a comic, and that's really a very interesting result. Well, I'd like to, for the students who are now thinking of their future, who might be interested in the agricultural sector, maybe they are children of farmers. Well, I think that the world of agriculture is getting increasingly interested because it is aided by machines. So what would you suggest? My suggestion, which is also the suggestion that comes up during the laboratories, is to come here to get acquainted with machines, to get in touch with us, to talk to us, because this is a world full of innovations and novelties, and full of great opportunities. And Agriculture 4.0 is also completely renovating all the jobs of this specific sector. This is why we do have a desperate need of young, passionate people willing to join agriculture. And I'd like to thank Lorenzo Iuliano. See you next time. Thank you.